Hello everyone, welcome to our review tutorial discussion. For this time, we will be talking about algebraic expressions. Okay, so this lesson is not new to you because when you were in grade 7, second quarter or quarter 2, these lessons or topics are already or were already discussed to you with your teachers back then when you were in grade 7s. And okay, so therefore this time it is just a sort of review for you all as your reference if you want to um, review while doing some surfing. Okay, so to recall, basically algebraic expressions are expressions where letters and numbers are combined, where letter is called a literal or coefficient or variable, where number is also considered numerical coefficient or constant, and it is combined with any of the four fundamental operations like plus, minus, divide, or times. Okay, so to recall, to begin with, algebraic expressions are classified or grouped into two types of expressions. The first one is non-polynomials or non-polynomial algebraic expressions. The other one is polynomial or polynomials. So we will be giving much time with our review here since this is the focus of our current lessons. Okay, so when can we say that the algebraic expression is considered polynomial? The first one, there are three characteristics actually. The first one is algebraic expressions are considered polynomial if the exponent in variable is not negative. So it is being clarified here that the exponent in the variable hindi dapat negative. So therefore, okay, it could be that the exponent of the variable could be 0 or positive as long as it's not negative. Okay, so for example, you have here x cubed. So since the exponent is not negative, so considered polynomial. And the second one is negative 3x squared. So since again the exponent in the variable is not negative, so it is considered polynomial. And this one, the third one is x squared minus 3x plus 2. So since the exponent here 2 and the other one, the linear term is 1 for the variable x, so therefore since the exponents are not negative, so it is considered polynomial. So these are some of the three examples which considered polynomial or polynomials or polynomial expressions. So again, for the grade 10 lesson, so the focus is all about the polynomial equations, polynomial functions. So it is better to recall the basic part or the basic characteristics of an algebraic so that it can be considered polynomial or polynomial expressions. So how about non-polynomial? So the opposite of this characteristics, which is the exponent is not negative. So once, what will happen if the exponent is negative? So for example, you have x raised to the power of negative 3. So since the exponent now is negative, so it is considered non-polynomial expression. And perhaps you may have negative 3x raised to the power of negative 2. So still the exponent is negative here. The exponent of the variable is negative, so it is considered non-polynomial. And remember, either the exponent is in the variable is positive or negative, so all in all, in general, they are considered algebraic expressions. Only that we group them according to the exponents of the variable. So once again, once the exponent is negative, so it is not negative, so it is considered polynomial. But once the exponents in the variables are negative, so considered non-polynomials. Okay, you got it? Okay, so let's proceed to the second type of characteristics.